Hi there, my name's Keith, and welcome to Keith James Green Bible Research. Did you know that for the past 50 years, there's been a number of scientists in America that have contributed to this theory? Now, the theory of intelligent design is the idea that all living systems and the universe are best explained by an intelligent cause. Now, there's actually several lines of evidence that support this theory, but in this video I just want to talk about one line of evidence, and that is how the presence of DNA in the cells of every life form infers an intelligent cause. Now, the information I want to present to you in this video is taken from a book entitled Signature in the Cell, and this was written by Stephen Meyer, who is a philosopher of science and one of the leading exponents in the theory of intelligent design. And so what I hope to do in this video is explain the context of this book in very simple form so that you can understand. Now, according to science, the physical universe is made up of space, time, matter and energy. However, when it comes to the Earth, we find something very unique, and that is called life. Now, the reason life is so unique is because not only does it contain energy and matter, it also contains information that directs that energy and matter into organized structures consisting of the purposeful arrangement of parts that all work together to give a life form its function, ability to survive, its characteristics, and its way of life. Now, this information is found in the cells of every plant and animal in the form of long strings of DNA coding. And according to evolutionists Richard Dawkins, in his book The Blind Watchmaker, this DNA coding is much like computer coding. Now, whereas computer coding consists of the digits 0 and 1 that instructs a computer what to do, DNA coding consists of 4 chemicals that scientists have abbreviated using the letters A, G, T, C, and they are arranged in a very specific lineal order. Now, the arrangement of these letters are like English letters that forms words, sentences, and paragraphs. And they provide instruction for the cell to assemble small particles called amino acids into larger particles called proteins, which are used for the construction of very complex body parts, such as brains, eyes, ears, lungs, nervous systems, digestive systems, etc. And there's actually 3 billion of these chemical letters specifically arranged in every human cell. And there are literally millions and millions of human cells. We're made up of millions of cells. So you can just imagine how much coding we contain and how much information is there. One of the biggest stumbling blocks for scientists who are trying to solve the mystery of how life came into being is the presence of this DNA information in every living cell, including the simplest life form. Now, in the days of Darwin, life was thought to come from very simple beginnings. But since that time, microbiologists have discovered that even the very simplest cell is in fact very complex and contains these long strings of DNA coding. And every cell, even the simplest cell, is like a miniature factory consisting a lot of biological machinery that all work together to produce what is needed to form body parts. So it's a very, very complex. So the big question is, where did this information come from? What caused the chemical letters A, G, T, C to be arranged in such a specific order? And how did the information to construct the first hypothetical cell come to exist? Where did it come from? And how can the interaction of matter and energy created a coded language? How can it create a coded language without some sort of intelligent direction? Now, regarding the presence of DNA coding in the first hypothetical cell, Maya states that there's no natural law or any self-ordering process that's being able to account for the specific arrangement of the coding. He also says that the properties of the chemicals themselves, the properties of the four chemicals A, G, T, C, do not account for the arrangement of the letters, rather. For example, if I had a number of magnetic letters and I had a whiteboard and I spelt out on the whiteboard, "Welcome to Keith James Green Bible Research, 20th April 2019, it would not be the properties, the chemical properties, that account for the arrangement of the letters. It is not the properties of the chemicals that arrange the letters and provide the information that's present in the long strings of DNA coding. Now, Maya goes on to say that at present there is also no chemical evolutionary theory that has been able to account for the presence of DNA in the first hypothetical cell. He goes on to posit that the only known cause for the purposeful arrangement of coding, according to human experience, is intelligence, and is therefore the best explanation for the DNA coding we find in the cell. And that's all for now, so I look forward to sharing more of my studies in future videos. So until then, goodbye from Keith James Green, Bible Research.